Hey, good morning, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Too Legit 2020, and I'm here with a video. Um, I didn't get to upload anything about my car radio yesterday because USPS brought it and it was late. It was around like damn near 8 o'clock when I got it. So I just went on ahead and got everything together, and I went ahead and installed it last night. I said I was going to do a video today about it, so here I am. But this is what it looks like. Yes, I'm doing this off my iPhone, so bear with me, please. But that's what it looks like. Yes, a Planet Audio 6.2. I like it. The only thing about it is it don't get as loud as I would like it to, but I really can't complain because it's not stock. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. But other than that, it's perfectly fine. Go ahead and turn it on for you guys real quick. Get it going. Yeah, I know it's the wrong time. Y'all ain't gotta tell me. I already know. I think it looks pretty good for it to be my second double dip. Turn it up a little bit.
With your own eyes. When are you going to stop believing in something that isn't true? When you
Right now,
stop believing in that fellow with the red suit and the white beard.
Now, follow Charlie and the gang on their hauntingly hilarious adventures.
I had a little trouble with the scissors.
Yep. I said it was cheap, which I wasn't lying. It was cheap. Y'all can see, for a lot of people that know that brand, y'all can see that, yeah, it was cheap. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. I wasn't going to spend no damn near $200 to $300 on a non-name brand radio. I wasn't going to do that because I don't trust it. Now, the only ones that I do trust is Pioneer, Sony, and Kenwood. All them other brands I don't trust. So if y'all know a brand out there that is good, or y'all think is good, I'll check it out and I'll do a review of it. And who knows, I may just keep it. I might not even get a Kenwood, Pioneer, or Sony. So go ahead, drop them comments in there and tell me what's up, because I know a lot of people ain't using name brand stereos. So if y'all got a brand out there that y'all know is good, go ahead and comment and I'll check it out. I'll do a review of it. But that's what it looks like. Nothing special. I like it though, because like I said, it's not stock, so I can deal with that. But I got other plans coming for the Cadillac as well. If y'all seen my previous video, y'all would see that I'm kind of telling you a little bit. I ain't saying a lot, but I am telling a little bit. And the reason why I'm telling a little bit is because my subwoofers, amps, and all that stuff, that's my next step. I'm going to get all of that, but I'm not going to install it right away. Because what I'm going to do is, I'll see this right here. See how it's hanging down? See this, how it's hanging down? And then check my floors out. Excuse me for the mess. Still ain't cleaned it out yet. But if y'all can see, something probably in the way, but if y'all can see my floors, I'm going to get new carpet put in. So it won't be like it is now. I'm getting new carpet put in. I'm changing out my seats. I'm doing all that good stuff. Taking the captain seats out. Putting the bench seat in because I don't like this setup. I never did. Probably never will. This definitely coming out. My daughter loves this thing. She don't even watch it like that. But this is definitely coming out. Little standard TV. Can't tell y'all what's going up there. But it's coming out. And then I got a surprise right here later on in the build. That's not even going to be there. So I'm gonna do some stuff, man. I'm gonna make this one of the best builds I've ever done, because I used to be so thirsty to where I didn't care what I had, as long as I had music in there beating. I didn't care how the hell I had it. I just wanted beat, and that was it. I just wanted beat TVs. I didn't even really care about no rims at that time. I just wanted beat and TVs. But now it's a different ball game because I'm a lot older and I'm a lot wiser. So I'm doing this build by the book. And what I mean by the book, I'm doing it right. I'm not cutting no corners on anything of this truck. None whatsoever. But I'm not going to lie. It is going to be a budget build. But at the same time, I'm not cutting no corners on this vehicle whatsoever. I'm still trying to decide if I want to get the paint, get it painted the same color, or get it a different color. I don't know. It really depends. But it is going to be one of a kind when I get done. One of a kind. But it's your boy, Mr. Too Legit, checking out. Stay tuned, because there's more videos coming soon. Peace.